Having clean and safe water is essential for us, and that's why we installed an iSpring whole house water filtration system. The vendor sent me this in exchange for this video, and I'm going to tell you what. Right from the start, the improvement in quality was really evident. I'm really impressed with the cutting edge filtration technology. Don't let me get into all of the specifics. That kind of goes over my head a little bit. But every glass of water feels super fresh and super clean. Following the directions is super simple. I'm not a DIY guy. My son helped me install this. The thing is, they give you all the connectors that you can need. They've got these 3/4 inch and 1 inch quick fit connectors, so it makes it super easy to follow the directions and get in there. Now, my system was a little bit different, so I just got a really simple pipe to connect. Easy to set up. We just followed the directions and bam, it was all set up and ready to go. There was no pressure drop to it, and I love the fact that this lasts up to 3 years. So that makes me smile. So if you're looking for a top-notch water filtration system for your house that's easy to install and easy to follow the directions, you may want to check out this iSpring whole house water filtration system.